Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. A warm welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make these 5 cute gift tags which are having 5 different techniques, and these are super duper fun to create all these tags. You can use these tags to decorate your scrapbooks, or you can add to your gift boxes, paper bags. So without any much more delay, let's start with the procedure. I'm starting with my first tag. This is the blue one. For this I'm taking white cardstock, which is 7 by 10 centimeters, and I have just created one scallop design on the top. So quickly cutting it. And this is done. Now I am taking one pattern paper which is 6 by 9 centimeter, and on back side of this I have added the same design, so I have just cut the same pattern and sticking both the layers together. Then marking exactly in the center so that we can add the eyelet to this. So creating one hole first of all using my punch hole machine. Then passing one golden color eyelet through this. Eyelet looks more beautiful on your tags. You can keep it as it is, but if you want more finishing and more strength to the cord, just apply the eyelets. Now to secure this, I am taking this eyelet punch, and tada! It's attached nicely and looking very beautiful. Now here I am taking aqua blue color embroidery thread, just folding it 4 times and passing through the hole to create the cord for the tag, so that you can tie it anywhere, wherever you want. Then I'm making one more knot using white color thread and making one bow. Trimming the blue thread, and this is done. Then to decorate this, I am making one quilling flower. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of light blue color and 1/4 strip of medium blue color and making one tight teardrop shape. Now I am joining total 5 petals together. And for the center of the flower I have prepared one tight coil which is made using 1/4 strip of white color. So flower is ready. Now to make leaf I am taking sap green color strip, just folding it 4 times like this. Now on left and right side making 2 more loops and wrapping this whole petal using remaining strip. To create flower and leaf, here I am using 2 mm strips, but you can also use 3 mm strips. So we need total 2 leaves. Now I had just created one cute braid using the blue thread and added one heart shape cutout at the bottom just for little more cuteness, and then in the corner I am adding leaves and flower. Then creating some dash line on the border using blue sketch pen and adding the sentiment using brush pen for you. And the beautiful blue color gift tag is ready. This is very pretty. Then I'm starting with the second one using Kraft Cardstock. This measures 6 by 10 centimeters. I have just cut both the corners diagonally and already added gold color eyelet just like we did before. And now I'm just creating some patterns on this using yellow and black sketch pen. So this is done. Then on the left side of the tag I am adding this beautiful scallop border. Then using another tag in smaller size and adding the sentiment limited edition. And sticking it on top of the Kraft Cardstock. Then making some dash lines on this using yellow sketch pen. And passing jute thread through the hole from top. And also adding one small bow on the small tag. Here I have prepared this cute yellow color flower, which is simply leaf shape. For one petal I have used 1/4 strip, and adding this cute flower in the corner. And the super gorgeous Kraft Cardstock tag is also ready, looking very vintage, isn't it? Now I am proceeding for the third tag, that is in the circular shape. For this I have cut this round pink color cardstock which is having 8 cm diameter, and in the center I have already attached golden eyelet. Then on the half portion of the circle I am just making some pattern using dark pink, light pink and white color strips. So adding these strips horizontally like this. Cutting excess strips from back side, burnish it nicely, and the pattern is ready. Very pretty. Then taking here pink color yarn, wrapping it around for 9 to 10 times on my 2 fingers, cutting the yarn, passing through this loop, make some knots, and then wrapping white color thread around this to just tighten it. Here I am making the tassel, which will be the matching tassel to our tag. Then cutting the loops from bottom, trimming it nicely, and beautiful tassel is ready. So cute. Then taking back the tag, and exactly in the center bottom I am making one more hole from which I will pass my yarn tassel. Like this. Then I am taking one more piece of white color yarn and passing through the top hole to the tag cord, then adding the sentiment in the center, handmade with love. And then I have already prepared some flowers using purple color strips. These are simple teardrop shapes, and one flower is made using 4 petals. And also adding 2 scrolls like this, which are made using green color. And then in the left bottom I am adding this cute butterfly which is made using gold mirror cardstock. And the super cute pink color circular tag with the hanging tassel is ready. Very pretty. Then I am starting with the 4th design. For this I am taking this 6 by 12 cm white cardstock, already added the eyelet on top, and then taking this pattern paper which is smaller than the base one, and on back side of this I have already created this triangular shape, so we just need to cut it nicely on both the cardstocks. Then layering it together. Then I am taking one more small piece which is 4 by 8 centimeters, and similarly I am cutting this also from bag and also the small size pattern paper. Layering both together. And on this tag also I have already added the eyelet. Now aligning both the tags on top of each other and passing dark blue color thread through this. Creating the knots on both the ends. And this is done. Then taking dark blue color 3mm strip, creating 3 loops, and on left and right side making 1 loop, wrapping remaining strip around this, and 1 petal is ready. Now I am joining total 7 petals and making the flower. Then for the center of the flower I have prepared this tight coil which is made using half strip of peach color. Now taking back the tag, and in the bottom I am adding dark blue color strip just for the decoration. Then adding the beautiful quilling flower exactly in the center top, and also attaching some sentiments like fun, smile, and then on the bigger tag I am adding sentiment, a cute token of love. So you can slide the upper tag easily and hang it to your gift or with your paper bags. So this is also ready. Now I'm starting with the 5th one, that is the last but not the least one. For this I'm taking the 7 by 9 centimeter white color cardstock, already attached the eyelet in the center, and then taking this beautiful pattern paper which fits perfectly inside this, and this measures 7 by 6 centimeters. Now we are going to create the shaker using this. So we have to cut the window on the pattern paper. So I have already created 1 centimeter border from all the sides, and we just need to cut this window using paper cutter. So this is done. Then I have added double-sided tape on all over the edge. So just removing the liner and sticking 1 piece of acetate sheet on this. Then adding some more double-sided tape on this, and then I have stuck cardboard strips on this just to create some dimensions. So it should look like this. Now I'm filling this using some sequences. You can also add flower pearls or glitter dust, anything whatever you like, sequences, small size sequences, glitter chunks. Then adding glue on the edge and covering this with peach color cardstock. And super cute shaker window is ready. Then I am sticking it on the base tag. Like this. Then to decorate with quilling flower, here I am taking half strip of peach color and 1/4 strip of white color and making one Malaysian flower petal. Wrapping this using white color strip. Now I am joining total 5 petals together to make the flower. And for the center of the flower I have prepared this tight coil which is made using half strip of red color, and also created some leaves which are made using 1/4 strip of sap green color. Now taking back the tag and decorating this with quilling flower and leaves, and on the top corner I am adding beautiful golden butterfly. Then passing one dark peach color thread through this and the tag is ready. Now I am just adding the sentiment happiness in the corner and also adding some hearts randomly here and there using red color sketch pen. And super cute shaker tag is also ready. So in this way I have prepared total 5 different tags with different color combination, and you can use these tags to decorate your cards, scrapbooks, gift boxes, and give a personal touch to your handmade gifts with your handmade tags. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.